Plaintiff Jamie Mace has worked with the defendant for 2 years, and she believes the defendant has a crush on her because he always follows her around, and he's asked her out numerous times. Jamie's suing because she claims the defendant used her cell phone account to get new cell phones. Defendant Samuel Dale says he was never interested in Jamie and insists he never asked her out on a date. Samuel claims Jamie has a bad temper and she smoked marijuana every day, and he insists Jamie gave him permission to get new phones on her account.
Start with you.
We were friends from work. We've been friends for maybe 2 years. Everyone at work thinks he has a crush on me. He follows me around constantly, stares at me, smiles at me.
What do you think?
I believe they're correct.
Has he ever done anything beyond smile at you and follow you to give you the impression he wants to date you or likes you?
He's asked me out several times.
There you go. So it didn't have to come from your friends telling you that. All right, go ahead. So he has asked you on dates.
He's asked me a few times. I've always refused. He's not my type. His priorities are not correct at all.
How do you know his priorities?
From work. All he does is talks about this girl and that girl. And
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you tell him that when he was hitting on you? So you got all these other girls. What you hitting on me for?
Your Honor, can I say something about that?
Yes, sir.
That's all incorrect. I have never, she's not my type.
You don't have any girls? That's not
No,
correct?
I never asked her out.
Oh, you never asked her
No,
out?
I did not.
You do have girls, though?
I have I don't have a girlfriend now, no.
How about ever?
Yes,
You've had one ever, right? Yeah.
Just checking.
Yeah, Doyle said he was just checking. I didn't need to check, I believe. I can tell about it. You got a little player. You know, you look like you might have a little player in you. You a player?
No, I'm not.
Oh, not a player? Okay, just want to know. Why do you think she's saying you hit on her?
I don't know. I never tried to. I never asked her out.
This is the first time you're hearing that?
Yeah, that's the first time I've ever heard that.
Give me one example.
Why don't you come over and drink on the Hennessy that I have?
About what month, year was that?
Last year, I believe it was maybe August.
Where were you all?
At work.
You don't remember that?
No, I don't.
No, you don't?
I don't remember that.
All right. I'm saying that because I'm letting you know how that sounds.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to ridicule the way you talk. Yeah. I'm saying to you that hesitation there makes it sound like you're not sure whether you want to tell me the truth or not. Not ridiculing you, but when the person says, no. Nah. You know how that sounds. Go ahead. So he was hitting on you, and you say his priorities aren't correct. That's why you wouldn't date him. Otherwise, you would?
No.
Why not?
He's not my type by any means.
He seems like a decent fella to me.
He might
Don't
be.
say that. You got to say, well, why don't you date him then, Judge? And then I'm going to have to throw you out. Go ahead, ma'am. All right, so that's the nature of your relationship. You all still work together?
Yes.
All right, and beyond that, it's a pleasant work environment?
Not really. Lately, it's just been all the stress from this whole thing that's going on.
Okay, from this issue, the breach of contract. Let me hear from you, sir. You want to give me some background?
Yes, I know Jamie as a coworker through work, and we used to be friends. And I known her to smoke weed every day. I smelt it on her at times at work. And I know she has a bad temper, bad attitude, and she cusses a lot at work. And she had threatened me, and that's why we're all here today.
Threatening you about what?
About the phone bill, or the phone situation.
Okay, this is about the phone bill.
In the cell phone situation.
All right, let me hear from you.
In May of 2014, I had decided to switch plans with my with my phone company to a better plan to help save myself some money. I was able to bring people on as well. The family plan with Sprint. I asked Mr. Dale if he would like to come on with me. He and his girlfriend said yes. I financed 2 phones for them through me on my account. And in December, he decided he wanted to add another line. I said it was fine, but did not say that he could finance another phone. And at that same time he did that, he financed another phone. They forged my signature to papers. And in February of 2015.
You have those papers?
Yes, sir, I do.
I see it with the forged document.
The signature's on the last page.
All right. Go right ahead.
Can I add something to that?
I'll let you give a full explanation shortly. Go ahead.
In February of 2015, he went behind my back, took all 3 phones to another phone company. They canceled the phones, leaving me with cancellation fees and the cost of the phones. I do have a breakdown of that if you'd like it.
Let's see it, please. All right, sir.
And I did not forge her signature. I had gotten permission from her over the phone because she wasn't available. And then she had given me permission to sign for the paper.
That's your only defense today? Everything else she said is true?
Everything for the forgery, yes, except for the forgery.
Okay, so the only issue here is whether you forged her
Yeah,
name.
I didn't forge it. She gave me permission because she was.
To write her name?
Yeah.
You were at the phone company
Yes, I was.
and you called?
Yes, I
And you
called.
said, can I have permission?
Yes.
Phone company didn't ask to speak with her?
I believe they did speak with her, yes.
What do you mean you believe? You were right there.
Yeah, they did speak with her.
So why didn't you sign your own name?
Because they told me I had to sign her name.
No. It's not how that goes. When you go to the bank, someone signs their check over to you. You don't sign their name. They would have signed their name. You can't go and sign anyone's name under any circumstance and present it yourself. She will have signed it. Then the phone company calls, ma'am, I see your signature, but Mr. Dale is here saying you've given him permission. Yes, I have. Then you put Sam Dale's name down. No, sir. This isn't my first time. I know how this goes, sir. No, sir. So, but let's just go with it anyway and see the rest of the story. Tell me about these threats.
She had left me a threatening voicemail in.
For what? She said you could do it. Why'd she leave a threat and she gave you permission?
I have the voicemail if you'd like to hear it.
All right, play it. But you're probably digging a bigger hole for yourself, but go ahead. Play it.
Just so you know, you and your you're going to jail. You just stole my phone, and I found out because my bill is over $2,000. You punk. I'll see your at work tonight, and guess what? You won't get dealt with.
Now, I'm just going to ask you a very basic question. Does that sound like somebody who gave you permission? She says, you're all going to jail. She shouldn't have called your woman such colorful language or degrading language. See you're at work tonight, and guess what? You're going to get dealt with. She threatened to send you to jail and jump on you at work. So she was really against giving you permission, sir. Why do you think she said that?
I don't know why she said that.
I know why, because she didn't give you permission, and you did forge her name, and instead of coming to Judge Mathis, she decided to threaten you. But I'm glad she had second thoughts and brought you here to me, because I believe she can whoop you, I'll be honest. I just do. I believe she can whoop you. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $21.72. Have a good day.
Probably a lot of tension at work, but at least it's over.
Yeah, probably some tension. We'll see if we'll work it out in the end. Get over it.
We'll at least try to see if we can get back on a common ground so we can at least work together peacefully, if that helps.